Welcome back again to Intentional Budgets. I'm Melanie, and I am mama of two that was let go of the federal government in September. And for 3 months, I had zero income. Yes, I worked process to get unemployment. That was a fail. The whole process, they just make it so difficult for you to get that. So I utilized my credit card to pay for my bills. Thankfully, I didn't go crazy. And I was able to get everything for that. But right now I'm left with that. I am currently freelancing consistently with my social media. So that is bringing some consistent income for now. So I want to maximize what I'm bringing in to pay off as much as I can. So here we are again, intentional budgets, paying debt.